Okay, let's get up. Okay, let's get up. Currently 5:30 a.m. Just got to the gym and time to get this cardio in. So let go. It actually is a really good day today, so I woke up feeling motivated. There's that. Here we go. Favorite place to be. Alright, so day 2 morning cardio done for this week. I'm tired, but feeling motivated. Legs are finally getting some shape to them. So still got to keep pushing, grinding, and let's go get some food and grocery shop at 6:30 a.m. What else? Let go. Alright, so shopping complete. Now to go cook it before work, at least today's meals. I'm going to go cook all of today's meals. And then, yeah, get focused. Literally stay focused. It's coming close, guys. I mean, it's coming real close, to be honest with you. Like, I still feel like I'm not where I want to be, but I know I'll get there. Like, I know I'll get there. So I don't know why I'm being so hard on myself. I always am so hard on myself, like all the time. But I know I can do this. It's instilled in me. I know I can do this. I know I got this. Like, I know that I can achieve whatever I put my mind to. I went to the tarot reading and all I hear is her in my head, like, you're going to be successful. You have everything that you need to be successful. You're in your own way. We already know this, but we all know that you can manifest whatever life you want. And so it's just really putting that into play and pushing forward and grinding it out. So that's what I need to do. That's what I'm going to do. And let's get this work. All right, let go. So I am so hyped about this avocado that I just purchased because I do not like buying avocado in the store because they just turn brown so quickly. So I found this. I'm super excited to try it. Cannot wait. 20 ounces. Yes, 20 ounces of avocado is added to my meal plan for my 4th meal. So I'm super hyped to try it out. Just got back from the gym and I just did a really intense leg day, and when I tell you that was intense, like, I have not left the gym with my legs hurting in a really long time. And right now, my legs are freaking killing me. Like, no lie, I am extremely sore. I know it's a good thing, but my coach did say that we had to pick up the workouts as far as the weight goes. So now I'm lifting heavy on Wednesdays, and the fact that I even pushed myself, I am extremely happy about that. Like, it is so hard for me to push myself, especially when it's like hurting. so I am definitely feeling it right now, but I'm feeling good. So now time to meal prep. So I am currently cooking my turkey. Since that is my 4:30 meal right now, I'm really, like, I am a hour behind my meal. So I was going to meal prep. Oh, I think I already said this, but I was going to meal prep already, but I was going to buy a meal prep plan, but it didn't make any sense because it was going to be about $85 for 12 meals, when this morning I spent $85 on all my meals for the week. So, and that's a little bit over, I eat 6 meals a day, so 6 times 5 is 30, so it just turned out to be a little bit cheaper. But that's honestly because I get my meals from the Dollar Tree, and y'all already know that. But I'm going to be cooking my turkey using, of course, ranch, per usual. One thing I hate about the RV and opening the door is that flies come in, which I realize that it's just a fly problem in California. Like, it doesn't matter that I'm in an RV, it's just a fly problem in general. So yeah, cooking this turkey, and then I am going to air fry my asparagus. Good morning, beautiful people, and happy Friday. No work today, so I decided to sleep in and just get a little bit of rest as I go and complete my cardio. It's currently 7:30 in the morning, so I have a lot of laundry to do. As you can tell, there's like 2 big things of laundry right there, and I need to clean my RV. So I have just a few things that I need to get done today, ship out some NT items, and I'm going to complete my entire workout this morning just because I really do need the entire day to just get my life together. So let's go get this cardio in. Okay, so I just got done doing my posing for my coach since it is Friday. And this is where I'm currently at, 145 pounds. So yeah, I'm still watching Wellness right now. You guys, they're going to kill it. I'm so excited to watch this. So this is what my weekend is going to consist of, is watching these girls on stage. Let's work one day. Hey guys, so currently sitting outside my RV. Just wanted to come on here and chat a little bit. So I said I was going to tell you about my tarot reading card experience that I had, and it was actually really crazy. Like, to be able to experience something like that, I think you have to be mentally prepared for it. And so I went in there with like an open mind, just wanting to hear what, you know, someone is going to be telling me about my life. So I just did the tarot reading, the cards, and yeah, it was so freaking crazy. Like, she was saying that, you know, I'm going to live a prosperous life. I'm going to live till I'm 78, and I am going to manifest everything that I want in life. But my issue, or the thing that is really holding me back, is like my love life, which is so crazy because that's like the biggest thing that I struggle with. So, and it's not that I struggle with it, it's just like, you guys, I just have such a sweet heart, and I just love to just share love, but at the same time I'm very like tense, and
anxiety driven, and so I'm always just like, what are they doing, what did I do wrong, this and that and the third, and it can become a lot. And so just hearing that, and I was like, wow, that's so freaking crazy that you would say that to me because that's where I struggle. But I really do think that it was needed because I'm more aware. And so, you know, when my relationship love life is not working out, I know, like, not to put the blame on the other person and just take a step back and being like, okay, Tashima, like, reflect on this. How does this play a part? How do you play a part? And just go on from there. So I thought that was pretty cool. I also thought it was, you know, really deep. And so if you're really into manifesting in universal feelings and all of that jazz, I definitely recommend doing it. It just brought so much clarity for me, and like, she was literally just like, you need to focus on yourself, you need to really put yourself first. And so I know that we always talk about it, but that's something that I really need to focus on and that I plan on focusing on. And so with being 7 weeks out for my show, I am really focusing on doing just that. I am leaning out a little bit. You guys, look at this. I got like a little ab or two. So that makes me feel a lot better because I was freaking nervous as heck about it. But yeah, I'm loving the RV lifestyle. I am loving life. Everything is just so good right now. I'm feeling great. And so just trying to stay motivated and trying to curb my cravings as much as I can, because every 5 seconds I want a bag of chips. But when I break a habit, I'll be fine. And so lately I've been doing really good with just eating almonds or like eating nuts, or just trying to curb it that way. But yeah, I mean, other than that, we're doing good. NT is about to get some new items for this winter, fall. This is one of them. You guys, I'm so excited for where NT is headed. Like, you don't want to miss it. So make sure that you tune in. Make sure you go to www.naturaltonedllc.com and subscribe. And it's all the way up from here, you guys. Sorry I did not post as many workout days, but it's so tough getting in the gym and recording. Like, I barely make it to the gym, and so trying to go to the gym and record is just tough by itself. But yeah, thanks for tuning in. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time.